Hey everybody, it's Monday, 27th November, weekend after Thanksgiving. Get back to normal trading this week. Looking at the Astro Excel, we are flat here between the 0 and -10 line. Then we get a little upward pressure, very little coming into this peak here uh, on the early morning of or around noon on the 28th. Then we go down. This is really the biggest astro pressure, the only astro pressure move of the week. This pushed down to below the -20 line later on the 29th. And then we're flatlining between -10 and -20 through the day on Friday. So we're going to pick up this negative pressure starting tomorrow at noon. And then we're going to stay between -10, -20. Not many blue line peaks, really, just this one, and then this other one here late or very early on Friday. So the influence isn't that great this week. We've been running slightly out of phase to the price action. You can see just the end of last week we had this down move and then this up push started. The up push didn't start till last night. So you can see we're running a quarter to a half a day out of phase with that, and that's common. I expect on the bigger picture, we've been running flat in this 45-60-ish area, and I see downward pressure after today. I think this upward pressure ends today, the 27th, and we're going to start to see push back down from here on the daily bars. Jumping over to the rainbow chart, here's some key time points for today along with some price levels. You can see that these current price levels that I've got plotted on this chart were very good. Looking for the price and time commingling, we've got the big B3 and the C1 blocks. Remember, I only usually start looking at this seriously after 3 a.m. Eastern time when we get into the period of the London Open. So we had this nice alignment here at this first point where we hit the high at the yellow line. That set off a nice trade downward from there. Then we had a setup here off the yellow line. It didn't trigger. It retested back, broke up to the next time point at the green line, and then it fired back down from there. Now we just had another trigger point here at 828 off the green line again, where we double tapped off of that point. You can see that was the support area from Friday. And then we're trading down now, coming into the next time point here at 923. We'll see how far we get. I did not recalibrate to get a price point outside of this red line yet. Anyway, coming a little bit later, we've got a turn at 1116. Look at the alignment on my cursor. We've got the white on the B1. We've got the green over green A3, A4. And then the one beyond that is the 1209. We've got the green B1 is the key, and that also overlaps the A1, A2, and is at the end of the A4 window for a nice alignment. And the last one I'm showing is at 205. We've got the green over white A1, A2, and then the white B1. So those are going to be good turning points for today. Anyhow, that'll give you a look at some timing opportunities along with a few key price levels that have been in play. These were set off of the price action from Friday and late last night.